Hey everybody, I'm Brad Davidson. I'm the Fire Chief with Junta Fire Department in Junta, Colorado. We're located down in the southeast portion of the state. We are out here at Sutphen doing our final inspection and acceptance test on our brand new SP70. We're very excited and had a great opportunity to purchase this truck and go through the build process with everybody out here at Sutphen. So I'd like to take you around and show you our truck and explain some of the awesome advantages it's going to give us. So as you can see, we got the full width opening doors, 4-person cab, all the latest technology for all the electronic devices and maneuverability of the truck. We also have the back cab where we did the 4-person cab, 2 seats in the back, 2 in the front, and then 2 EMS / extra compartments in the back. We did have those wired to have some electricity to each area, so we can plug in additional batteries, an AED to make it a BLS engine, and other equipment like that. So everything's inside out of the weather. We're very happy with this. We've got the taller cab as well, so we have height to stand in there and take care of our staff. The other thing that we really like too is the safety aspect of having helmet storage underneath the seats for all of the staff that'll be riding on the truck. The more secure things we can have, the less things that are flying around in case of a bad situation. As you can see here, we've got the top controls for our SP70 platform. Nice intercom, push to talk on this end, hands-free up at the top end in the bucket. Continues that great communication between the ground and the top. 1500 GPM pump with 2 cross lays for 1 3/4, 200 feet apiece. We kept it a simple build for our department, so not a lot of valves, but we have our normal amount of discharges and our intake. We also run stores connections, so this will be a totally different valve that we put on here when we get back. As you can see, I like the whole aspect of the safety step. So when the engineer is running the ladder or up here pumping, they're off the ground to secure their safety as well. We have the A-frame jacks that come out. The nice thing on those is one button, both jacks come out and down at the same time and raise and go up at the same time. So faster setup time in those emergency situations. Our engineer's compartment, this will be set up for our engineer. We'll mount different types of connections and couplings and valves in here and all the tools that they need to run their pump system. We also have our electrical component, breaker box and everything right here. Next compartment, we went ahead and had the tool mount board placed in here so we can mount tools and brackets and not have to take the chance of maybe piercing the tank or anything like that. So we're very excited about this. The craftsmanship of this whole truck is top notch, and we're very happy to have this placed in here. We have extra SCBA bottle holders. We also have the opportunity or the capability of adding an adjustable shelf in here if needed, but we did put an adjustable shelf in this compartment, top to bottom. We also have the turtle tile that's in place all the way around the truck to help with our material or our equipment. This compartment, it's a transverse compartment all the way through. We'll show the slide out tray on the other side, but we do have adjustable shelves in here as well, and we will be making adjustments and making sure that this does not have the tool mount board, but we don't need that in here since we've got it in that compartment. Moving around to the back, we do have a 2.5-inch hose bed on the back for pre-connect. We also have 3 pike pole holders, 3 on this side, 3 on the additional side, 6-foot, 8-foot, and 12-foot capabilities. So that'll be nice, and they're in secured tubes, so it doesn't take any injury, or it takes up less space. We have the 5-inch hose bed in the back. That's the capability of holding 1,000 feet of 5-inch hose for our supply line, and it's lower so the staff can get to the hose easier. Again, just more accessibility to the pull-out tray and the easeability of being able to get equipment in and out. The other feature that we have on this truck with the ladder is the hose loading feature, where we can raise the ladder enough just inside so the staff can, in inclement weather, load and unload hose, or out on the fire scene, raise it up just enough to put the supply line back on and not have to worry about raising the ladder, putting the jacks out. It's got a safety device that it only goes up so high, and then you can lower it back down. As you can see on our bucket here, on this side we have a 2.5 inch monitor. It is manual valved and can be run at the same time as the other monitor that's stack tips, and that's a manual valve as well. This line right here runs our water curtain for underneath. As you can see, it's got a parapet ladder as well. Easeability of getting in and out of the bucket, but also usability of getting onto a parapet wall or over a parapet wall onto a flat roof. LED scene lights up on top, and we also have a 2.5 inch gated valve on each side, so we can add additional hose lines to a second story if needed. We have a complement of ground ladders that come with it. We've got a 16 foot, a 24 foot, and a 35 foot ladder that comes with this. And here is our 1,000-pound pull-out tray. We put it on the curb side so it's not on traffic side if we have to make accessibility to get to our equipment. Very simple, very easy to slide in and out with an adjustable shelf. Again, another compartment, more space. A fold down compartment so you have access for salvage covers or whatever you need to do. And then on this one, we put a slide out tray. This is where we're going to be mounting our SCBAs, 2 on each side. It is a 4-person cab, so we must meet that NFPA requirement, but I put them on the outside to kind of work with a partial clean cab concept of getting that equipment out of the inside. Again, the other side of the hose bed, so you have a cross lay for each side. It comes off very easily deployable. And then of course our officer side, or our curb side of the intake valve discharges. Then we have a generator with a 150 foot reach of a 4-box outlet, and the generator, which is built in underneath the platform, and everything's tied together with the PTO system. Again, just our overall truck. The best thing about this truck is it's going to be maneuverability, usability friendly, and overall just make a great piece of new equipment for the La Junta Fire Department. And I can't thank enough our city council and the rule board for working together for allowing us to purchase this piece of equipment. And thank you goes out to everybody at Sutphen for the top craftsmanship and the great customer service where you're not going to get anywhere else. So thank you.